Good morning, the handyman. Hey, listen to me. I love my job. I love maintenance so much. So yes, this is what I'm doing this morning. Cleaning out this water, this heater. Because the water was smelling so bad. So I told the client, I think you are due for a water tank service and clean out. So I came this morning specifically to do this, and then I would flush the entire system with some hot water. Some hot. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Maintenance is very important, people. Maintenance is important. Even so, because it's working, you might say you don't need to service it, but not because it's working, you should not service it. Servicing and maintenance of the equipment extends the life